Today we're going to have a look at this Makita Whippersnipper. It's a single 18 volt LXT version with the serial number being DUR190L. So I bought this Whippersnipper because before this one I had a steel 2-stroke one, and every time I went to start it, it wouldn't start because there was something wrong with it. The spark plug was foul with the 2-stroke oil, or there's a little bulb made of plastic that you meant to pressurize to try and prime it to get it started, and that was always perished. So I got a bit sick of that, so I thought I'd give this electric one a go. So I bought the 18 volt version over the 36 volt version because it's a lot lighter, and my girlfriend actually uses this one a lot for trimming grass to feed to our ponies. So we've got the on button here, she turns on. She's on 3 for the power straight away, and you can cycle through 1, 2 or 3 depending on how much power you want. And then there's this button here for reverse, so if the blade head gets all knotted up with grass and gets jammed up, you can hit reverse, and then while it's flashing you pull the trigger and it'll knock it into reverse, and then all the grass will get kicked back out. So I've got this blade on here, it's a Makita blade. I'd look more at home on a table saw, because when you're cutting grass like this, if you're using string, you're just wasting your time. So we're in a dam paddock here on a cattle property. This is where we come in to check we've got water in the tanks and check the soil pump's still working. We keep the cattle out of here so that they don't go down into the dam and make the water all muddy or get bogged in the dam. So it's all grassed up now. So we need a bit of a track to get from the ute over here to the tanks. We're going to make that track with this Makita Whippersnipper. So even though it's electric, the blade still does make a fair bit of noise, makes 92 decibels. So when you go to use it, you should still be wearing earplugs. So you see we've got a bit of grass stuck up here in the blade. So what we're going to do is just knock it into reverse, pull the trigger, and then she's back out. And now after I let the trigger go, it goes back into full speed going forwards. We can get back into work. Whoops. I'd say this was the right tool for the job.